Like, look back in your life and ask yourself, what is the one thing that people are asking me about all the time? That people are asking me for advice on? You know what it is. There's something. And it could be anything. And most people just don't realize. I'll give you an example. I have a client. His name is Bill Durand. He lives in Michigan. Bill will probably see this video. Free plug for Bill. Bill, a family member passed away. And the family member that passed away had millions of little cars. You know, I forget what they're called. And other little collectibles. And Bill had to sell it. So he figured out, sorry, that's my beasts running around barking at the fence. They're out of control over there. You can see them going back and forth. But anyway, Bill figured out that he could sell all this stuff on eBay. So he set up an eBay account. He started listing these things, and all these things started selling. And he came to me, and when we first started talking, he had already tried to build a whole bunch of online courses and things of this sort. And so we dug into it. And I said, what's all that stuff behind you? And he explained what it was and how he was selling it. And I said, what kind of money do you make with that? And he says, well, I'm an eBay power seller. I said, are you telling me that you figured out exactly how to list stuff on Airbnb, make it attractive so other people buy it, and you're selling millions of dollars of this stuff now? And he said, yes. I said, that's the thing. He could start a coaching business and make money teaching other people how to make money on eBay. And I said, look, if you want to make this an end-to-end system, I said, take a page out of Gary Vee's notebook. And he says, oh, I've already done that. He says, I go to yard sales all the time and find stuff that's undervalued. I know what I can get for it on Airbnb, and I buy stuff for $5 and I sell for $100. I said, teach that. There'll be millions of people that buy it. And he did. He's launching that program right now. So my point is, if you think back in your life, there's going to be something.